we can also maybe share that. Yeah. That'd be great.
Sounds like a plan, absolutely. And then we do have pasta or pizza for entrees, if anyone's thinking about something like that. We have our new meatball and bacon pizza on the menu, and then one of our fantastic pastas is the shrimp scampi, if you guys want to keep on with that seafood tonight.
Why don't we go for that pizza?
Yeah?
The meatball pizza.
Maybe go with a large, since you guys really sharing over here.
Yeah, we like to share.
All right, sounds fantastic. I'll get that going for everyone.
Do you want to get a bottle of wine?
Absolutely.
What would you recommend?
I would recommend the Hess Cab.
Oh, good. That's a good one. I've had that before.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Good job. All right, nice job, Nicole.
I'm so glad we just started selling that at the restaurant.
That was great. That was a good catch. Now let's go through what's Nicole selling.
New classic.
Classic bruschetta, right? What sales technique was she using? Highlighting? What kind of words did she use to describe it?
Delicious,
New.
fresh,
Yeah.
that fresh olive oil.
Classic. What a great word for an Italian restaurant, right? It's classic, so you know it's gonna come exactly the way you expect it to, right? I would think. What was the other thing she did?
Salad.
She led you right into that strawberry salad, right?
Oh, great.
What technique was that?
Salad. She recommended shrimp or salad.
Okay, so she, not only did she highlight the salad, but then she upsold it at the same time.
It's also like an open-ended question. You couldn't really say, no, I don't want to do the salad. You know, I'm going to do it with something to.
Okay, what was your intention on that?
My intention was to upsell.
Okay, good. Then that's what I thought you did, so I just checking. What was the other thing she did?
Well, she gave us the option of pasta or pizza, which gave us the yes or no, not potential answer.
And then we kind of went to a pizza, and
Yeah.
she kind of recommended one of the new meatball bacon. And then she's like, well, since you guys are all sharing, why don't you go with the large? So she kind of got us on that one again.
Okay,
Snowball.
so by the time you left
I
this,
should switch sides of the kitchen.
by the time you left this table, you were stuffed, right?
Yeah.
And my wallet was small.
And she walked out with a check for about $250. You loved her, so you tipped her really well. She made a boatload of money tonight, and that's what serving is
And I
all
can't
about,
wait for you to come back.
right?
Tomorrow.
It's all about making money as a server. It's what we do, right? We make money, we represent for the restaurants, we're the salespeople. And the chef can be the greatest chef in the world, but if you don't have anybody to sell it to the guests, then you're not gonna make any money. And if I stand in front of you and I ask you, what can I get for you tonight? Am I selling you anything?
What do you want?
No, I'm taking your order, right? McDonald's, they take your order. In your restaurant, you want somebody who's gonna sell for you, who's gonna represent you and your restaurant, who's gonna put money in your pocket and their pocket, and it's a win-win situation for everybody. So, great job. I just have one last thing I'd like you to do. If you want to go back to your seats, great job on that. I have no idea what I'm doing this. I really don't. But this is just a little thing that we're going to do before we leave that just tells me that you learned the things that we wanted today. It's a little exit slip. So all I want you to do is just tell me the 3 different techniques that we used and give me a brief example of each one. That wasn't too difficult, was it?
No.
No? Do you feel like you learned something tonight?
Yeah.
Yeah? You feel like you could teach it. I love that. That makes me so happy. Tell me, how would you use this in your daily life?
Well,
Even,
since
because you don't work as a server,
No,
right?
I work in the back of house, but I feel like it'd be helpful as a way to like prepare dialogue for the servers, because when I do make dessert specials, I have to explain to them what they are. And sometimes that dialogue doesn't get communicated to the tables, and then my desserts don't sell, and so they sit.
Perfect. That's really, that's kind of profound. I think that's a great response to this. Anna, did you have something you wanted to add?
As a chef in the kitchen, you have to sell your food to your servers so they can sell it. So I think that this is, it works and definitely will be used in the back of the house.
So you remember when you came to this class the first day and you were kind of kicking yourselves and hitting yourselves across the head, all I want to do is be a chef? Why do I need to know anything about serving or being in the dining room? This is why, because it works both sides, right? We all work as one restaurant. Trying to get that across is not always easy, but you really seem to have captured that today, so it makes me very happy, it makes me proud. So let's do a little bit of exercise, because we have a few minutes left in the day. So let's play a little game here. Who's got a calculator on them? Anybody?
I have a phone that has a calculator.
Okay, so let's play a game. How much is your average dessert, Nicole?
$8.
$8. And so if I sold one dessert extra a day, how much money would I make if I made a 20% tip? Bless you.
Just $8 onto.
Just $8 on any check. How much extra tip would I make?
Well, if it's a $40 check.
No, just the
No.
$8. Just the $8.
$8.
Just the $8.
What's our percent?